This cable has magnets all along the wire, so we can coil it up and it stays coiled up like this. We can make it into a thick, small coil, but if this small coil is too thick to be kept in our thin pouch pocket, no worries, we can wind it into a thin and wide coil. Very versatile. Should I put this on my IKEA monitor stand or should I stick a hook here and hook it by the side? What do you guys think? Maybe I'll just put it on my desk so anytime when I want to use it, I can pull it out and charge my laptop. Hi everyone, welcome to another Sky Perspective video. Magtame sent me this cable for free, but they did not have any editorial inputs to this video and are watching this video alongside you. Yes, this USB cable is capable of charging my laptop at 60 watts when used with my Anker laptop charging brick. I've been using this cable for 3 months already, and when I go on a trip, I just need to bring this Anker charger and this Magtame cable instead of this bulky laptop charging brick. It's a lot more compact this way, and I can fit it into my tech pouch. In fact, with this cable and this Anker charger, I can charge all of my devices, starting with my laptop, my tablet, my phone, headphones, earbuds, and the other earbuds, and the other earbuds. I got to stop, if not, this video will never end. I have too many tech gadgets. And when I travel to work, sometimes I keep the cable here in my BYD Seals center console. It's very nice and neat. Very satisfying for my OCD. This USB cable is really well made. It feels tough and durable. And apart from delivering charging power, it also carries data. Meaning I can use it to transfer files or plug it to my Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra so I can run Samsung DeX on my laptop. However, it doesn't carry display signal, meaning if I plug my laptop to an external monitor using this USB-C cable, it won't work because this cable is not a display cable. Even though this cable is a little bit pricey, I like its versatility and portability. Yes, we can even use it as a fridge magnet. I really like the self-coiling design of this cable, and I'm wondering, EV cables are always messy. If we apply this idea of using magnets to make EV charging cable self-winding, like this USB-C cable, wouldn't it be nice? I hope EV charging cable companies are watching this video and something innovative can come out of my video. That'll be amazing. If you like your products to be featured on my channel, follow the business enquiry link to my website. It's in the description down below. Please remember to like and share this video so it can reach more audiences. I'll see you in the next video.